Hey guys, Bruins Rules 95, and today I'm going to show you the fly puck. I said I'd be doing a review of it. It's been a while since I got it, and I've used it a little bit. As you can see, I used it a little bit out in the driveway, out in the wet, and the sticker still hasn't come off, so that's a good sign. It's got a little bit of chips and stuff in it, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the fly puck on some shooting pad I got. I'll also have a review up on that sometime soon. Slide's nice. I'll go from one end to the other. I'm in my garage right now with it all done up. It's not, my garage isn't organized, but whatever. As you can see, it slid all the way almost to the end. But where the fly puck really shines is on concrete and hard surfaces. I'm not trying to stick handle very good right now because I'm with one hand, but whatever. It does really good. It doesn't flip up like no black pucks do. Here, I'll grab a black puck right quick and I'll show you it. See? Black puck. Flips up all the time. No good. Piece of crap, right? Yeah. But the fly puck slides fine. You're not supposed to shoot with it, but I've shot with it a couple times. It doesn't really do anything to it, but whatever. So yeah, guys, just a quick video on the fly puck. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I have a contest on the go, and it ends Saturday 19th, February 2012, I think. That's the date. So if you haven't entered, please go enter, because I need at least 5 people to enter for me to continue with it. So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe.